In this video we show you the best places of this beautiful and amazing country, from the Pacific to the Caribbean coast, passing through lakes, volcanoes, mountains and cities. Let's start with the scenic and idyllic bay in San Juan del Sur on the Pacific side.
We just entered into Nicaragua from Costa Rica, but on the border, the customs officers confiscated our drone.
A big warning to all travelers who want to enter with the drone. At the border, we spent long time discussing the issue, and at the end they suggest that we can try to go to a government office in Managua, where with very little chance, we could obtain a special permit to get our drone back. When we are in the capital, we will put all our effort to get it.
We are going to explore several bays around San Juan.
This area is considered the best place to surf in Nicaragua, thanks to the different point breaks where surfers can enjoy.
On our way to embark the Che Guevara ferryboat to go to Ometepe Island, situated in Lake Cocibolca.
The island and the background of the volcano Concepcion, surrounded by clouds.
Ojo de Agua, a natural reserve with spring water to relax.
Let's refresh ourselves by diving into this pure and crystalline water.
Driving to the Charco Verde Natural Reserve. Let's see what we can spot.
Don't forget to visit the El Seibo Museum, where you can see numerous archaeological objects and an explanation from the guide about the history of the country and the island.
Managua, the capital of Nicaragua.
We went to the office in charge to apply for a special permission, and we were very lucky to get it. So tomorrow we can go back to the border and get our drone back.
Before coming to Nicaragua with a drone, get up to date with the information to avoid problems. Granada, the quiet and charming former colonial capital of Nicaragua.
If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel to support us. A short distance from Granada, we can hike to the beautiful Apoyo Lagoon, formed long ago by a volcano crater.
Heading to Masaya Volcano, quite accessible since you can drive all the way to the top.
Wow, it's a ghostly vision and a strong smell of sulfur.
We waited until nightfall to witness the spectacular display of magma and lava, which left us completely spellbound.
On the road to Matagalpa, we give right of way to cows. We dare anyone to oppose.
Hiking to the top of the Peace Mountain to view the city of Matagalpa and pay a visit to the Virgin of Guadalupe.
Just a short ride from Matagalpa, we go to visit Luna Cascade. A very quick zipline descent. We are on the ferry heading to Corn Island.
After a full day, we finally arrived to Corn Island in the Caribbean Sea.
A wonderful turquoise color dazzles our vision.
This is the size of the island.
We snorkel to see inside these spectacular waters.
Two big manta rays.
Very spectacular coral colors.
Getting closer to a quiet and sleepy shark.
Playing with a tiny fish disguised as a leaf.
The weather is turning bad. Time to go back to the land safely.
On our way with a small boat to Little Corn Island to pass the New Year's Eve.
Welcome to Little Corn Island, a small paradise in the Caribbean Sea.
Happy New Year!
¡Feliz Año Nuevo!
León, the second biggest city in Nicaragua.
If you like the video, please subscribe to support us. Finally, getting to try bao, a typical local food cooked in a huge pot over charcoal.
Mmm, very delicious. Comida rica.
They are doing everything in their power to avoid getting wet. Stunning sunset dazzling our eyes.
Let's pause for a moment and allow the determined cows to cross the road.
The road to Cerro Negro Volcano, where you can experience the thrill of sandboarding.
The top of the volcano is superb and magical, and the soil in Sandpoint is very hot. This volcano is still active, so be careful if you visit it. Something is wrong with the car. I have to stop.
Uh-oh, flat tire. Let it roll like that. Oh.
Oh, ah! Wow! Natal. You see Natal? Hop.
Problem fixed. We are back on the road. Jiquilillo, in the Pacific coast. The food is flavorful and wonderful to share.
We feed us with a typical local dish.
A curious pet, antelope. Hey, if you got till here, you probably liked the video, right? We value your feedback, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
To support us, please subscribe to our channel. Ciao!